Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by blocking a simple 3D shape, sphere, cube, or cylinder, so you can focus on volume, not detail. Choose a 3000 times 3000 canvas and turn on assisted drawing if you need straight edges. This speeds symmetry. Once done, lay down a flat base color on a locked layer and add separate layers named shadow and light. Make sure to pick a neutral midtone, because this lets your highlights and shadows read clearly. It sets the stage for believable three-dimensional paint. Now you model form by thinking in planes. Break the shape into core, mid, and rim light. Use a soft brush to establish smooth gradients, then switch to a textured brush for material detail. This contrast sells the 3D illusion. Paint shadows on a multiply layer and highlights on an add or screen layer. This separation lets you tweak intensity later. Once the major values are in place, smudge sparingly and use a light Gaussian blur to fuse edges so surfaces read seamless and tactile. Finish by sharpening key edges and dialing texture. Use a 1 to 3px brush for crisp highlights along contours and add subtle reflected light under edges to anchor the object. Then step back, flip the canvas or desaturate the image to test values and make sure the darkest dark and brightest highlight are present. If something reads flat, isolate a value-only layer and tweak curves or layer opacity. This targeted fix restores depth without repainting everything, which keeps your file efficient and editable.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.